One of the most common excuses that I hear from beginners who want to get into affiliate marketing is that they do not have any followers or even have a large audience to promote affiliate products too well. In this video, I'm going to be uncovering step by step how you can make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing even if you have 0 followers and do not even want to build an audience on social media. Let's dive straight ahead back into the video. Now, the first step to actually making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing even if you have 0 followers is that you want to go ahead and pick an affiliate product or an affiliate offer to promote. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be promoting this product right here called MediaMister.com. MediaMister is basically a social media growth tool or is a platform that you can use to grow or buy followers for your different social media accounts such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and you can basically see that you can buy different amounts of followers and engagements for different social media platforms. Now, do not worry because you are not going to be buying any social media followers for any of your social media accounts. That's not what this video is about. But this is just the affiliate offer, the affiliate product that I decided to show you in this video. Now, the great thing about MediaMister is that it has a really good affiliate program. And like I said, we're not going to be buying any social media followers in this video. The reason why I love MediaMister is because of their very generous affiliate program. Now, if you come over here, you can see that you can earn 60% commission as a MediaMister affiliate on every single sale from your referred customer. And this just basically means that if you can get somebody to buy any of these services right here on MediaMister using your affiliate link, you're going to be getting 60% of whatever that person pays. So if the person pays $1,000 to buy TikTok followers, you're going to be getting 60% of that, which is $600 from that sale alone. And this is really powerful, and this is one of the reasons why, like I said, I love this platform so much. You don't even have to buy any social media followers or use this platform, and you will get 100% accepted into the affiliate program even if you've never bought anything from this website before. Now, in order to actually join the affiliate program, like I said, all you basically need to do is just to come over here to where it says join our affiliate program, and then, as you can see right here, it's just going to ask you for some basic information about yourself. Now, let me go over and show you exactly how to fill out all this information just so you can do it the correct and proper way. Now, the first thing you want to fill in here is your first name. And then you want to put in your last name right here. And right here where it says referral ID, you just basically want to put in anything that you want to be attached to your affiliate link, and this could be your last name or your first name, but don't think too much about it. Just put whatever you want to be your referral ID right here. Now, once that's done, you want to come over here and put in your username, and ideally, your username should be your email address. And if you scroll down right here, you just want to basically put in your company name. If you don't have a company, you can just put in your first name and your last name right here and fill in all this information that you can see right here. And then, if you have a website, you can put your website URL right here. However, if you don't have a website, you can also put your YouTube channel link right here or your Instagram account link or your Facebook profile link right here. Now, where it says payout methods, MediaMister actually pays out via PayPal, Payoneer, and BankWire or transfer. So no matter where you are in the world, you will have at least one of these options right here. So just pick the option that you want to use to receive your funds. And like I said, that could be either PayPal, Payoneer, or BankWire or transfer. And then, once you do that, you just put in the email address attached to that payout method right here. So your PayPal email address, for example, or if you're using Payoneer, your Payoneer email, or if you want a BankWire or transfer, you can just put in all these details right here. Now, once you've done all that, you basically want to click right here where it says I agree to the terms and conditions, and basically just click on sign up. Now, once you sign up to MediaMister, the next thing you want to do is that you want to get something called your affiliate link. Now, your affiliate link is going to be right at the top right here where you can see your affiliate link right here. And you basically just want to copy that link, so you can just come over here and highlight it and basically just copy that link. And that's the link you're going to be promoting on social media, and anybody that actually buys anything on MediaMister after clicking this your link or through this your affiliate link, you are going to be getting 60% of whatever they paid to MediaMister. So now, this is actually my affiliate link. And now that I've shown you how to pick an affiliate product, how to sign up, and how to get your affiliate link, let's move over to the second step, which is arguably the most crucial step, which is exactly how are you going to be promoting MediaMister and actually getting people to buy through this your affiliate link if you have 0 followers or 0 people to promote it to at this moment. Now, this process is usually called getting traffic to your affiliate link. And like I said, it is arguably one of the most difficult parts of affiliate marketing, and it is why a lot of beginners do not make money with affiliate marketing because they struggle to get targeted traffic to the affiliate links. So right now, I'm going to be showing you how to get people who want to buy services on MediaMister to actually go ahead and buy through your affiliate link even if you have 0 followers on social media or do not even want to make content around MediaMister. We're telling people how to buy social media group services. And what we basically want to do is that we want to go over to Facebook.com. I believe everybody watching this video at least has a Facebook account. What we basically want to do is come over to where it says search Facebook, and then type in buy Instagram followers into the search bar. Then, we just want to click on enter. As you can see, it has given us a list of different Facebook groups with a lot of people in them. These people are basically looking to buy Instagram followers, Twitter followers, and all the services that MediaMister right here has to offer. So, what we are going to do now is open one of these pages or one of these Facebook groups. As you can see, this particular Facebook group has about 67,000 members. Don't forget, 67,000 of the people in this group are looking to grow on Twitter and Instagram, and that is the reason why they are in this group in the first place. If you could actually get a couple of people, maybe a few thousand, to buy Instagram, Twitter, or even Facebook followers through MediaMister using your affiliate link, you can make a lot of money. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that the right way right now. Once you're in the group, the first thing you want to do is join the group. Click on Join Group. Once you've joined, go to where it says write something and type something along the lines of, "Hello guys, if there's anybody who wants to gain massive Instagram and Twitter followers, then DM me." Once you do that, a lot of people will start commenting on your post and send direct messages. When they DM you, you can then share your affiliate link to MediaMister and tell them that if they want to buy followers and grow their Instagram and Twitter accounts massively, they can do that by buying followers, likes, and all that stuff from MediaMister. A mistake a lot of beginner affiliate marketers make is that they enter these kinds of group chats and start posting their affiliate links everywhere, spamming the group chat. While this used to work in the past, it doesn't really work anymore. First off, the group managers or owners do not like people posting affiliate links in their groups. If you do this consistently, you can get kicked off the group or even have Facebook delete your account permanently. So, you want to only promote your affiliate link via Facebook DMs. This also increases the chances of people actually buying through your affiliate link because you know that all the people who sent you a DM are looking to grow their social media platforms. This is a very sneaky but powerful strategy, and I want a couple of you to try it out and let me know your results in the comments section. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.